Aray ko. That's the one you can rent. I thought the car is not allowed. And we just wanted food for tea because we wanted to eat early. And we found this tiny house, they serve food. And we had to pay, we didn't have to pay entrance fee. He said we pay 50 pesos for tour.
A detour.
A detour. I don't know what that means. Detour, but no tour guide. I mean, what's the tour here? It's a beachfront to see all the corals, probably, and to see the I don't know. I said we just wanted some food. Anyway, we pay 50 pesos each.
Like an entrance fee.
Like it's like an entrance fee, but they don't call it entrance fee. It's a detour, and it's quite nice. And we.
How about having a disposed cup?
Oh yeah, please, thank you. And when we go to that cafe where they serve food, they only have a few, and they all scattered. The workers scattered, and we had to, and we're starving, and we have to keep calling them. And my husband go to the door instead and call, see if they're open. But they were. My husband said they're just smoking. So an elderly lady come out. I don't know. They were scattered. It's like they are also tired because it's already afternoon. It must be about 5 o'clock now. And then I go to this little shop here. Nobody there. And when somebody come out, a man come out, I'm speaking in Tagalog, and he said, I thought he's being funny. He said, speak in English. So really? But I think he's foreigner from somewhere, but it's quite lovely. Look at that one. And that's another resort there. I feel like the workers doesn't want to do any work. Can do some cooking. Can do swimming really. Oh, it's sand. I thought it was all corals. Lovely. Lovely beach. So it turns out the gentleman is Indian who work. He's not supposed to be working here. He met Filipina and married her. He met her from Facebook. He's very nice.